with an additional 2 wooden rods. You might think you need 3, but only 2 wooden rods, and 6 tubes plus 2, that's 8 tubes, 8 more tubes. We can make a basic bridge structure. So how we're going to do that? Here we go. Same as before, sharpener on the 2 additional rods. Shave off a tiny bit from the end. There we go. And what we're going to do is gradually link the paper tubes together in order to create simply a continuous version of this prism. So let's just whiz on our way through that. Don't forget to try and twist the tubes. So if you twist the rod into place like that. Next one. So get yourself a good hand position so that you can rotate the whole model round, and it's always the same sort of action. Otherwise it just takes an awful lot longer. Try not to deform the tubes as you go. Try and always remember that thing about keeping the shape of the tube. So now what I want to do, well, you're tempted to put that one in there, but go for that one. Look, you've got an awful lot of tubes now on the central dowel. So just advance them in a bit to create that bit more room. There we go. Next one. Rotate the rod to get them in. Line things up. There's our next rod going to go in. Doesn't take all that long. If you've got a few folks working together, some students in school or somebody to help, you can amass a huge number of these paper roll tubes, and then start joining them to other things, or joining them to create bridges, towers, all sorts of amazing things. Once we've completed this structure, we'll look at how a mechanism could be made. So moving parts in the bridge. So there's our bridge finally about to come together. The final tube rod goes in. There it goes. And there is the basic structure completed. Now it isn't really a bridge because there isn't a deck, so any sort of vehicle going across it would fall through. So there's a little challenge for you. Create a road deck which complements the strength of the bridge. Perhaps the road deck could connect to these 3 rods which are in the base. So a basic roll tube bridge. Just imagine you can make this longer and longer, taller and taller, and all manner of bridge shapes are possible if you think about how to use the tubes. Fantastic.